Craft game project. Easy to assemble, just snap together. Great for making your own board games. Length approximately 4 inches, base diameter ~3/8 inch. Age, 2 to 4 years. 4 snap-together spinners. Set of 8 individual arrow spinner sets. Each set includes a 4-arrow and base. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent spinners. These game spinners work great and are easy to use. I used it to make a game for my dog. The spinner points to different commands for my dog like sit, beg, high five, jump, give us a hug, on my back, etc. It's a fun game and my dog loves it, plus he gets some extra training too. I made my board out of cardboard that came in a calendar, it works great. Also, the spinners are so easy to take apart that you can put different games on both sides of the cardboard and just flip the spinner to the other side when you want to play the other game. The spinners spin super well too. They are a great buy and would work well for making up your own game, or doing some sort of giveaway.